Hi friends, once again welcome back. This video is regarding Punjab. So how to search your name in Punjab Electoral Roll 2022. So Nirvachak Namavali, that's what called as Electoral Roll. So in 2022 across any district in Punjab, what is the latest electoral roll which is going to be published in 2022? We can see it online. So you can also see whether your name is there. Otherwise you can add, or if needed modify, delete. All these are possible. So let us quickly see how this can be done online. So what you can do is you can do this from mobile. Just go to nvsp.in. This is the website. I am giving the link in my video description. You can just copy paste in your mobile browser and click on enter. It will work just like that. So once you come to this page, you don't need to log in or create username password. Just scroll down and click on the download electoral roll PDF. This is the option you are going to click. For any district you can do this, but I am specifically making this video for Punjab. So as you can see, all the states in India is listed here properly. Okay, so let us select Punjab and click on go. So once you click on select the state and click on go, it will go to the respective electoral roll page of that state. So you can see here ceopunjab.gov.in. okay, automatically it goes there. Once you come to this page, you can see here from mobile there is a three line icon tab. You can see here right side on top. Just click on there. It's kind of a menu tab. So under menu you can see here electoral rolls. Okay, so click on the electoral rolls button or option. Once you select the electoral roll, you can directly see the draft electoral rolls of 2022, and it's new. Okay, they have just launched it, and it is draft because you can modify it. If your name is not there, you can ask for addition or modify if any error and stuff. So once you click on that option, you get all the district of Punjab here. You can see here. So you have to select under which district you are going to look for the electoral roll, because electoral roll of 2022 is a very big list. Okay, so you have to go by first state, then district. So let us click on Ludhiana. So once you click on Ludhiana, you have to zoom and click. Okay friends, otherwise the click might be wrong. You have to verify it before going forward. Constituencies of district Ludhiana, that means you are on the correct path. Once you select district, now you are going to select the assembly constituency. You have to click on that. So under Ludhiana, this many assembly constituencies are there, and number also there, 60, 61, 60 to 65. So you can select, for example, Samrala. If you are selecting, it is 58. Click on Samrala. So now you are under Ludhiana district, Samrala assembly constituency. Okay, and you can see here electoral roll PDF new. Just click here. So you are going to download Samrala assembly constituency list of Ludhiana district in Punjab state. Okay, so let us click on the electoral roll option here, and then the page loads for that respective assembly constituency. And in assembly also you have a lot of part name. That means a lot of polling booths will be available. So here they are showing you the part number and part name. Okay, so under which area it is covered. So you should know your area, basically which area you are looking for downloading the electoral roll. So it's very easy. Scroll down and find out your area under this assembly constituency. For example, you are looking for Isapur. I am taking an example, and you can see here 7 Isapur. So if you scroll down, so for any place you can see the respective part name here. So multiple places might have same part name. Okay, Jivanpur, Chakki, all these are having same part name. And apart from this, you can also see your polling station building. You can see here, if you are so and so you place you are going to vote, you can see which is your polling station you are going to go. And BLO booth level officer, who is the booth level officer in that place, his name or her name and contact number is also clearly given. So it's so easy, everything is there online. Okay friends, so now for example, either you are in Jivanpur, Chakki, or these three constituencies, you are going to click the 13 Chakki option. Okay, example I am showing you. You can click whatever area you are belonging to. Once you click there, you have to click on the I am not a robot option. After that, click on download PDF. So it is very easy. Okay, you have to select the part name. You should know which under which area you are looking for. Click on that PDF option, and it might take some time to get downloaded. Suppose if it did not download, please try it again. Just click the back button and try it again. Now it is success. As you can see here, I am opening with PDF. Okay friends, so whichever area I have selected, it is clearly mentioned 2022 electoral list. Okay, so this is the latest for next year itself, and it is obviously a draft copy because there may be names getting added if you if you give a request. So if you scroll down, you can see here clearly the specific polling station, because I have selected a specific polling station, right? Assembly constituency and specific polling station. So under this polling station, all the booth level informations are available here. What is the polling booth photo also clearly covered here. You can see here how the polling front view, back view, and what is the route, how to go to the polling station. And bottom you can see all the names, all the persons who are going to vote in this polling station, his name, age, all father's name, all the personal details along with the election ID card number is given here. Okay friends, everything is very clear. And as you can see here, it's a very big list. So you can download it for any assembly constituency. Photo is not available because it's a security reason. So photo will be available with the both officer can see it, because they will verify across your photo in the election ID and this photo. But here it will not be visible for public because of security reasons. Thank you so much. This way you can download the electoral roll of Punjab in any district for 2022 year assembly election. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe. Keep in touch. I will publish more useful videos.